Okay, got an American 1165 today. You're probably familiar with the American 1100 series, which is a 5-pinner, typically. But the 1165, that 6 indicates it is 6 pins. And as you can see right here, this has got some nice bidding. I will probably end up turning this into a challenge lock at some point. Key pins probably remaining the same. Driver pins, not so much. Anyways, let's get picking. Typical top and keyway. I found one that is really nice and tight fitting in there. Here. So that one's not letting me pick. Drop there. Now more dropping pins. Like the sound, especially when you've picked it twice in 2 days. False set, okay. That tells me it's either pin 5 or pin 6, which I believe one of those is a spool that always snags up. Right at the very end. Find a pin. Nope. Boom. Got it. Open. Okay. Easy part done. Now comes the fun part. I haven't done this in a while, so this will be fun. Let me get my gear out. And I can never remember which size follower I need. I never remember what angle I have my phone at either for this. Sorry, lost it in the frame. See, it is still picked. Tension, right here. Okay. Let's get a screwdriver and start digging this guy apart. Standard Phillips. Nice having a magnetic tip on that screwdriver. Surprisingly, before this, I have popped the core out. It does have an anti-bypass back there, just doesn't want to come out right now. Have popped the core out, but I've not actually gutted it yet. So let's see here. Use circlip tool. Let's see how it works on this American. Or if it's just gonna be a pain in the rear. It could very well just be a pain in the rear. Oh, there we go. Got it. Circlip off. These are right here. Let's see. And oh, that explains part of why it was so easy. It was such an easy pick. There is at least one master wafer in here. Nope. That is a mastered pin too, so it looks like I will be modifying this lock, at least the key pins, so that way they are all the right size. So noticing plenty of mastering on this one. No wonder it was easy. Now the interesting thing is I look like I might have picked it just to a single shear line. Yep. This is not going according to plan. There's key pin 4. Master. Master. Let's get these pins out. There. And pin there. Okay. Still really greasy. Wow. Okay, so I have 4 mastered chambers on here, master pin chambers, as you can see. Core, if it'll focus. Stocks, no modifications to it. No counter milling yet. There's the key. Get this bugger out of the way. One serrated. Serrated again. Serrated in 3. Four is a serrated spool. Also had a master pin in there. Five is a spool as well. Serrated spool, I should say. The Americans are never just standard spools. They're serrated spools. Let's go through the other way. Get pin 6 out. And spool. So I was correct in my assessment. It looks like all standard springs. Just drop them out. Yep. All standard springs. And I believe it was pin 6. Yeah, it was pin 6 I was having to pull up to get that final set. Quick close up on the pins. Heavily mastered. Not too pleased about that. I might have to start making some custom pins for it. Other than that, fun, easy pick. And it looks like I did not pick most of those I only picked one of the mastering wafers. So it looks like I only picked one shear line, not the, well, yeah, picked one combination instead of all possible ones. So yeah, fun pick. Wish there wasn't as many master wafers in here as there are. Other than that, I'll be turned into a challenge lock. Hope to post another video soon, but life has been getting in the way recently.